It's just down the road. Whew. Last night was a hungry night. Pizza man didn't even show up. But anyway, we're getting breakfast over here at Shady Maple Smorgasbord. Check it out. Immediately fills the aura. But back then, let me make sure. Is it smorgasbord? I don't know. Probably not even saying it right. But this place is rich. Nice chat. The piano is actually playing by itself, chat. I'm so sorry, y'all, but there was a lot of good food here, but I'm not a good vlogger, and also I don't want to get caught recording, so just know there's a lot of good food here. I'm ready for my back to increase in size. The donuts are actually handmade, and they're really good. I just don't eat too many of them. Fire. It's playing all of me. After going to a new spot, I love to give them a little Google review and show the little area. So if anybody else wants to come, then they know where to park and stuff. So enjoy this little drone footage. $10 out of 10 delicious food for only $14. I actually went to do a handstand at the smorgasbord sign, but you know, my tum-tum was too full. But see y'all at the next one for real. Still licking my lips.